Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're doing the unboxing of if it's in the title, so just look at the title. So sorry if the camera's really bad quality. It's just, yeah. So let's get unboxing. This is taped. This is taped. Good. God. Oof. It's my first unboxing video. Oof. Oh, there it is. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, you guys don't know how excited I am to have this. Oh, okay, let's get this box out of here. It's a freaking Jason mask. Oh my god. I wanted this for so long. And I finally got one. Finally got my hands on one. Oh, I'm gonna try it on. Oh yeah, this is cool as heck. Okay, so here it is, guys. Yeah, these things are really loose, I don't know why, but this is really hard plastic, like really hard. God, like, I'm gonna try to bend it to get it to the right shape. I don't want to snap it, but this is cool. You said to kind of see the bottom of the mask. So here's a good look at it. Yeah. So, ooh, I am so excited. This is like, I wanted this. Let me take the snaps off so you guys can see it if it without the snaps. Whoa, it's like so cool. Yeah, so that was my first unboxing of a Jason mask. So, see you guys later, I guess. I'll make another video, like tomorrow maybe. No promises. No promises. Because sometimes I'm busy. But bye! Hope you like this video and subscribe. Bye!